What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Travis TRC. Guys, we're getting ready to take up the Freewing F16-64mm, guys. Killer little plane. I put the original motor back in it, and you see I've got a couple of crashes here and there, but anyway, guys, it's one awesome plane there. It's like I said, 64mm. It's got a, I think, a 2836 kV motor in it, or a 2836 3300 kV motor in it, guys. It's got a 40 amp ESC. I think the wingspan is like 680mm, I believe, and like 1000mm long. This thing does have reverse thrust, guys, but for some reason I cannot get it to work. I got it in channel 6, and I think I got it. I think I messed it up with the ESC and can't get it out. But anyway, guys, we got it hooked up with the DX6. So yeah, without further ado, let's get this thing up, guys. And I did put the original motor back in. I had the E-Flight F15 motor in it, the 2840 3150 kV motor in it. That's what we had, guys, but I ended up putting the factory one, the 3300 kV motor in it. But anyway, guys, let's get this thing up and go. Alright, guys, here we go. You know what? I need to reset my timer. Alright, guys, let's try this. It even sounds different. It really does. This will be the first flight back with the motor. So here we go, guys. Let's take the CG. Little nose heavy. Just a little high off into the wind. It don't seem like it high off is as good as with that 3150 motor in it. Alright, guys, let's do full blast. See if it's any faster. That's full blast, guys. That's not bad. I mean, cool. Pretty good airplane, guys. I think it is a little slower, that motor. I don't. You think it would be faster and it'd be in a higher kV motor, but it just don't seem like it to me. Yeah, I believe I'm gonna put the other, because that's half throttle right there, guys. I mean, that's half throttle on that other one was, and there's full. Boy, that goes. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I believe I like it better with the other motor in it. You got this full blast again. Here we go. Right down the runway. Do full blast this way as runner. Awesome. Still a good flyer, guys. Don't get me wrong. Still an awesome flyer. It does do high alpha better though with that. I guess it's where it's a lower KV motor. It's got a little bit more punch, you know, torque, thrust. I don't know. It's just hard. It's pretty good. Now I believe I'm gonna put the other motor back in it. Nothing wrong with this, and I just like that a little bit extra. A little bit extra punch, torque wise. I really don't care about the speed because it's not a fast jet anyway, you know. I mean, it's just. Alright guys, see if we can't butter a good landing in here. Woo! I'll take it. It works for me. Took a couple of times wind trying to get me, but I'm have to go get it. The wind pushed me over the thing. Anyway guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that, guys. And guys, I just want to give a big shout out to all my subscribers out there. Guys, God bless you all. Thank you all so much. I hit my 500 mark, guys. Halfway there to my 1,000 mark, but hey, in 11 months time, hey, that's not bad, guys. I'm tickled to death. 11 months, got 500 subscribers. So guys, keep subscribing to my channel, guys. I'll keep trying to bring more content and different planes, guys. Big John Kelly's got a new X-Fly T7A. He's gonna come the maiden on the channel, so we'll have that coming up shortly. So I don't know if he's gonna do it today, maybe tomorrow, but anyway, we gotta get the receiver in it, set it up, and do all that good stuff. But anyway, guys, like I said, thank you all for subscribing to my channel, guys. I have changed my name a bunch of times, just bear with me. I'm just doing a little bit of experimenting, trying to figure out what, you know, the best name, but I'll probably leave it at Travis TRC. It's simple, it's easy to remember, you know, it just all around I think it'd be better. But anyway, guys, like I said, hope y'all enjoyed it. Till we do it again, guys, stay fine and God bless, and thanks for subscribing, guys. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye bye bye.